the reason why I decided I have to do this is I want my life back. So really what it boiled down to was I worked 12 hours a day, and by noon I was super sore, and by the end of the day it was I was in so much pain. I couldn't do things that I actually loved, like I couldn't go on a bike ride because it hurt too bad, and I couldn't go on hikes because it hurt too bad. My daughter, she would always joke with me, "Dad, I feel like if you just walk normal, your knee wouldn't hurt." And I just would chuckle at that, going, the reason I'm walking like this is because it hurts so bad. My uncle went to Dr. Calton, and he totally recommended him, and so I'd had another surgery with another surgeon, which I loved, but for knee surgery, for knee replacement, I wanted somebody who I trusted. And I mean, when I say my uncle referred him, my uncle is like, he knows his stuff. And so when I had a consult with Dr. Calton, I knew that he was the man, and I wanted somebody who did knees, and I mean, I know he does hips too, but I wanted a guy that's what his specialty was. And so when I met with him, all of my worries went away, all of them. I knew I was in the most capable hands, probably in the state of Utah, if not the United States, of a guy who, I mean, when I did my consult, he said, and we take measurements, and when we take measurements, it's not, close to this, it is this. So if I say it's 17 millimeters, it's 17 millimeters. His precision, his attention to detail through anything was phenomenal. It was absolutely phenomenal. And his attitude and his love and passion for his work and his patience that I could see as you're in the waiting room, and you see him interact with people, and it was something that I didn't have any question of. I mean, I just knew it 100%. I want to be able to go hop on a bike without even a second thought of, is this going to hurt? What kind of after effects is going to happen because it's going to be so swollen and sore. But that's why I had surgery, is I want my life back. Pre-surgery, I wanted to just get a desk job, not do anything. After surgery, I'm on track to, I'm going to lose some weight. I'm on track to, get better. And it was all because of Dr. Calton.